Hey guys, it's Damien here and welcome back to another video. And this video is gonna be a little different. This is kind of a gameplay video, but I find it more as a tutorial. So I am gonna be showing you how to install mods in Clone Hero. If you don't know what Clone Hero is, it's the same thing as Guitar Hero, but you download mods in it. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to need is a computer, of course. Is Clone Hero. In one way. So this will only work if you have Clone Hero, and if you don't, and this would obviously not work if you don't have Clone Hero. So let's get started. The website I usually use to install mods is called it's this website. I'll leave I'll link this into the description. So, and if you go and see other YouTubers that get mods and they would just have a link to it. So I'm just gonna go do Come Together and the Beatles. Come Together. Right. Then search that. And if that's not the case, sometimes you have to search. Doing this. And as you can see, that's the song that we want. You click download, then click on right click, you click on Come Together. Then as you can see here, it is loading, and once it says leave site, changes may not be saved, just click on leave, and that's when you know that it's ready. Or if it just says it's finished downloading and it's there, then I don't know. So I'll also leave the link to download Winway in the description. So you click on open, then if it says that, then yeah. And once you have done that, you click on extract to, then you go to download, and then go to Clone Hero 640 again, and you need Clone Hero, and the zip file, and the file should say that, and you click on that, click on songs, and I forgot to mention you should put a file named songs in there, and then that's where you're gonna store mods. So click on OK. It's gonna extract it. Once you have done that, you go into Clone Hero, okay? I'll leave the download into the description.
I have a dream.
Right.
I'm here to tell about
You just look for the song. what? How do I turn it down? This video's gonna get copyrighted. Oh, there we go. Now once you have done that, you have to go into settings, and then you have to click on scan songs. Then you just look, and then it shares on there. And yeah, that's how you do it. Here, let me give you a run through on how it should look like. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. If you're doing this on the keyboard, then you press on Alt Tab. Most people use this with a guitar, but that's how it's supposed to be like. Hope you found this song helpful, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Also, before this video ends, I just want to show you guys what mods I have installed. I have You on Kazoo, White and Nerdy, Super Spice Balls, Slow Dancing in the Dark, Rush E, Global Band, Purple Lamborghini, Inside the Demon is a Rainbow. I kind of wonder about that one. Fireflies, First of the Years, and those are some of the songs that I have installed. So yeah, in the future I might do a gameplay of those ones, and